Solar panels can seriously boost your home's value, especially if they look slick and cover a good chunk of your roof. So, here's the deal. If you're thinking about adding solar panels, pick a system that blends well with your roof. Like those solar tiles that don't scream, "Look at me," make sure the panels cover enough space to make a noticeable dent in your energy bills, because that's what buyers really want to see. Also, keep in mind your local market. Some areas love solar homes and others not so much. Don't forget to get all your permits and inspections done right to avoid headaches down the line. If you're leasing panels, that can be a turnoff for buyers, so owning them outright is usually better. Another tip: highlight how much money you save on electricity each month when you show your home. Lastly, keeping those panels clean and well-maintained helps them look fresh and work like a charm, which definitely adds to the appeal. One of the biggest mistakes people make with solar panels and home value is installing cheap or poorly designed systems that look ugly and slapdash. To fix this by going for high-quality, visually appealing setups. Another issue is not owning the system but leasing it. That can scare off buyers who don't want to take over a lease, so owning is key. The third common problem is ignoring local regulations and permits, which can cause legal trouble later. Always get the paperwork sorted before installation. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid place where homeowners can find trusted local contractors who know their stuff about solar panel installation and more. Plus, it helps contractors connect with folks looking for projects, making it easier for everyone to get things done right.